Vidnoz AI is a new free online video creation tool that uses artificial intelligence to generate engaging videos. This new free AI tool offers 300 professionally designed templates, 300 plus AI avatars with perfect lips animation, 70 plus ultra-realistic AI voices in different languages. You can generate AI avatar free for any your social media platform. With AI avatars can to update your live streaming channel. Avatars can change your life games and make your gaming experience more interesting. Using avatar promote your business or create a faceless YouTube channel. This tool is free. Therefore in this video I will guide you through the step-by-step process of utilizing this tool. Before further proceeding, please subscribe to my channel. Let's start it. First go to Google and search Vidnoz AI. Click on the Create Free Video Now button. Now sign up through Google, Facebook, LinkedIn, Microsoft or email. After login, this interface will be in front of you. Here you can see that there are various templates. AI avatars and talking photos are available to start creating a free AI video. Click on Create Video button. You can select these templates to create your AI video. But I will select from Start a Blank button. Select your required video size like landscape, portrait or square. I would choose landscape. Click on the Avatar button. Here in Realistic Avatar Pro we can select one of the different avatars apart. Here we can select one of the different talking photos or upload our own photo, but I will go with Realistic Avatar Pro and select this avatar. From here we can convert this avatar into half body, square head and circle head. Here is further setting like video background and music. You can also upload your video background and music by Upload button. Type your script in the text box. Click the Upload Voice button to record your own voiceover or upload an existing voice. After that you can select any one of the various free voices. Here I select this. Below, by clicking this button of subtitles, we can turn on and off the subtitles on the video. After we are satisfied with all our settings, click on the Generate button and this will start the video creation. Process will take short time. It has generated our video. Let me show you by playing Vidnoz. As you can see, Vidnoz AI has generated an excellent video for us. The result of tool is definitely very cool. You can download this video for free in 720p resolution by clicking the download button. Can also share this video in different social media platform like Twitter, Facebook, Discord, or you can copy this link and paste it to your desired social media platform. Finally, let me tell you that apart from their free plan, they also have starter and business plans which of course have more features, and their video output is full HD. You must try this AI video generator once. Its results are certainly impressive. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next one.